In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1106 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome and at the address bar, paste the link that I have given at the description box below. So please copy it, then make a right click here at the Windows address bar, click on paste and click on the enter key in your keyboard so that you would be navigated to the page where you can download the printer driver. Once you are here, if Windows 11 is not being detected, please click on choose a different OS and then click on this down arrow key here and go with Windows 11 and click on update to set it. Once done, you need to scroll down, find for driver product installation software and click on download to download this full feature software and driver. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once done, you need to copy and move that to the desktop. Okay, so here. So please double tap to extract or unzip the file or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. Proceed to WinRAR and go with extract to and please wait until you can create a new file folder here at the desktop. Once done, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this thumbs up. So to install, here at the start, navigate here, make a right click, then scroll up and click on settings. And at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to navigate to the printers and scanners. And you're here, you'll see an option called Add Device. Click on it. And then you need to wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually. And then you need to wait until you can open another window where you can find a printer by other options. So please select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, then click on next. Click on this down arrow key, select any of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. And then you need to click on next here, and then you need to click on have disk. So there you can see browse. And in this window, you need to proceed to the desktop and then scroll down, find for the extracted file, double tapped. And then here, you need to scroll down again and then you need to find for this three drivers. So select any of these drivers, click on open, click on OK button. And from here, please select for HP LaserJet Pro P1106. Click on next and then you can rename this. So in my case, I'll be setting HP LaserJet P1106. So click on next and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next, click on finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed this HP LaserJet P1106 in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.